What if I told you that there is an invisible force flowing through your body right now? An energy that can transform your mind, boost your strength, and unlock your true potential. But here's the catch. Most people never learn how to use it. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand this energy, but also how to control and amplify it. Energy isn't just something that powers machines. It exists within us. Scientifically, energy in the body is a mix of electrical signals, biochemical reactions, and even something deeper. Every thought, movement, and emotion is a form of energy. Ancient cultures called it chi, prana, or life force. Have you ever walked into a room and felt a vibe without anyone saying a word? That's energy at play. A simple exercise to feel your energy. Rub your hands together for 10 seconds. Slowly pull them apart and feel the warmth or tingling sensation. That's your body's energy field. Your emotions influence energy. Stress drains it, while positivity amplifies it. Deep breathing and focus help strengthen this connection. Mental power. Your thoughts shape your energy. Positive thinking attracts strong energy. Negativity weakens it. Physical power. Athletes and martial artists harness their energy for peak performance. Manifestation and focus. The law of attraction is based on energy. What you focus on grows. Healing and balance. Meditation, grounding techniques, and even yoga can help restore energy flow. Monks, warriors, and spiritual leaders train for years to control their energy. Nikola Tesla believed in energy fields that connect everything. Your energy can influence others. Ever met someone who lights up a room? Energy is the key to everything. Your success, health, and even relationships. Start by mastering your own energy, and you'll see your entire world change. Try the hand exercise, control your thoughts. Everything in the universe is made of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. The human body generates electromagnetic fields. Your brain, heart, and nerves constantly send electric signals. Studies show that the heart emits an electromagnetic field that can be measured up to 3 feet away from your body. Ever felt someone staring at you from behind? That's your energy field sensing their presence. What if I told you that every thought you have, every action you take, and even your deepest desires are controlled by an invisible force inside you? This isn't fantasy. It's real. It's energy. The mystery of energy. What is it really? The science behind it. Your body is a walking power station. Your heart generates an electromagnetic field that extends several feet beyond your body. Your brain sends electrical signals at the speed of 268 miles per hour. Quantum physics proves everything is energy. Scientists have discovered that atoms, the building blocks of life, are 99.9999% empty space filled with energy. This means that you, me, and everything around us is just energy vibrating at different frequencies. 3. Your thoughts create energy waves. EEG scans show that our thoughts create real electrical activity in the brain. This energy extends outside your body. This is why you can sense if someone is staring at you. How energy affects your reality. 3:30 to 5. Your energy is not just inside you, it shapes your entire life. One energy can attract or repel opportunities. Have you ever noticed that confident people attract success effortlessly? That's because high-frequency energy attracts more positive events into their life. Negative energy, it pushes success away. 2. Your energy field can affect others. Ever walked into a room and instantly felt weird? That's because people's energy fields interact. This is why some people feel draining and others feel uplifting. Did you guys notice I just repeated the same line to check whether you guys are focused or not? If you guys notice, nice, you are focused and you will gain something from this video. But if you ain't focused, because focusing on one thing at a time can really make your energy flow better. And once you guys really start understanding how to use energy, trust me, you will see how magic happens when you completely focus on one thing from your whole mind and heart. You will see magic happen. We humans are magnet. We attract things like magnet. And once you guys learn how to focus, you will easily attract the thing you like, and you will achieve them in no time. Real life exercise number 2. Influence your environment. Here's another test to prove your energy affects reality. Step 1. Hold a small piece of paper or a pendulum by a string. Step 2. Focus your energy on it. Imagine it moving. Step 3. Without physically moving, try to influence it. Sounds crazy? This experiment has worked for thousands of people. Your thoughts create tiny electromagnetic waves that can affect the physical world. If you master your energy, you can influence more than just a pendulum. You can influence your entire life. Advanced energy uses. What can you really do? So what can you really do once you master your energy? 1. Attract your dream life. Science confirms that your brain doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. That's why visualization works. When you imagine something with intense focus, your brain starts looking for ways to make it real. 2. Enhance intuition and sixth sense. Some scientists believe our body's energy field can sense future events before they happen. Many top investors and decision makers trust their gut feeling. This is actually your energy reacting to information you haven't consciously processed. 3. Heal faster and boost. Health energy healing has been practiced for thousands of years in yoga, Reiki, and acupuncture. The human body already heals itself, but energy techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and focused intention can speed it up. Example: studies show that meditation lowers stress hormones, boosts immunity, and even increases life expectancy. Final real-life energy exercise. Manifestation test, 7:30 to 8. Let's test energy one last time. Step 1. Close your eyes and imagine your dream car, house, or goal. Step 2. Feel as if it's already real. Get excited, grateful, and emotional. Step 3. Hold on to that feeling every day for a week. Watch what happens. Your energy starts pulling similar opportunities into your life. Energy is not just an idea. It's the force that shapes your reality. Learn to control it and you'll unlock limitless power. Try the exercises and tell me what you experienced in the comments.